Today, I want to show you how to use this special feature that you probably don't know about on CapCut, right? I use CapCut all the time. Sometimes I use VACAYJAYTV, but today I'm going to show you this trick, right? I'm going to show you how you can generate this picture right here, any AI picture that you generate, right? You can take it from this square and then you can make it look like this, right? All using AI in CapCut. So let's go over to CapCut real quick. And as you see right here, I got the pro version right at the top. I believe this feature may be available for people who don't have the pro version, but I have the pro version because I use it all the time. Let's start a new project and let's go to pictures. And I have this other picture ready right here. So we're gonna use this, right? We're gonna use this picture. I'm gonna add. So right now, this is a picture of AI picture of me, your boy VACAY, you know what I'm saying? I look like that in real, no, I don't look like that in real life. We working on that. So I wanna show you guys how to expand this pic, how you can see a full-blown gem in the background from this AI pic. Now I already cropped this out, already made it look a little bit cleaner or whatever, but this is it right here, VACAY-JayTV. Make sure you get your t-shirts, all right? Make sure you get your tank tops so you can go to the gym. So let me show you this right here. I'm excited to show this to you. I love teaching. I love showing people stuff. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom, right? Scroll over, go to the bottom. And then what you want to do is you want to change the aspect ratio. What does that mean? You want to make it into the format. If you're a YouTuber, you know what that means. We need to change it into a YouTube thumbnail format, right? We want to do that. So they have it right here, already preset. They got 9:16 for TikTok. They got 1:1 for Instagram. And then they got 16:9 for YouTube. So you want to press that and it automatically puts it into the 16:9 ratio. Now, again, you're just going to have black on one side, black on the other side because we have nothing to fill it up with. The picture is just a square picture. You check it, right? Boom, there you go. Now, here's a feature that you did not or may not have seen before, right? What you want to do is you want to first press the picture, right? Just press it one time. Just press it, right? Now it's highlighted, right? You look at the bottom, you already know. There's like new features that pop up, right? So you got split, animation, effects, delete, right? We definitely don't want to delete it. Remove BG, right? I'm going to do a video on that too, how to remove it. There's different options on how to remove your background. Retouch, we don't need to retouch it. It's AI. Lip sync, we don't need that. Add motion, right? Change expression, we don't need that. We don't need that. That's a good feature though. You can make me go from frowning to smiling. That's a cool feature. Transform, we already cropped it out already. We don't need that. Right here, family, you see it, and it does have a purple diamond, so it is a pro feature. We have AI expand. That's the one you want to hit. So you press that, right? And now we have to do the aspect ratio again. So right now it has the option of fit, custom, 9:16 or 16:9. We want what? We want the 16:9 for YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, that's the one you want. All right, so you press that and then you want to expand it. We want to see a full-blown gem. We want to take this square and make it into a 16:9. Again, you probably never seen this before. If you did, cool, you know what I'm about to do. So 16:9, that's the one you want. You could enter prompts and tell it what to do, tell it what you want in that background if you want. I usually don't. I gotta do what it do, and then it gives me options. So let's generate it. I'm gonna generate it right now. All right, family, here we are. Full-blown gem, right? And it gives me a couple of options, a couple of results on the bottom, which is cool, right? So look at that right there. They added a cell phone, me holding a smartphone on one of the results. Let's go to the other results and see. And then they have me again with the phone, and it's just a different background there. It's just a more expanded in the back. This one, I think, is like, I don't know. It looks like there's a mirror behind me, but it doesn't. And that's just a pole, right? And then this is just more expanded on the left side, you see. It's going further back, so it goes a little deeper in the gem. I'm still holding the cell phone. I'm still holding something. I don't know why they have me holding something, but maybe that's a meter that I'm looking at. But it automatically did that, which is cool. And then this is the other option, right? So they give you 4 options to choose from. You pick whatever one you like, right? Double one. It's a difference, but it's a slight difference. right? It's not really that big of a difference of the background. We do have one that, this one looks like I'm sitting on the chair, and you see that on the left side, that's the chair I'm sitting in, but it doesn't show my shoulders. It doesn't show, it's supposed to be a mirror behind me, but it doesn't show me sitting in that chair, right? So I don't want that one. I may go with, let's see, I may go with this one right here. I may go with this one. I'll go with the first one I like, So if you pick that one, you could regenerate and do it over again. It is going to take away a couple more credits. It's only 2 credits. If you have a lot of credits, it's cool. You could regenerate and possibly add to the prompt and say, hey, put some ladies in the background. Let's try that. I want to try that. Regenerate. Will it do that? Generate again will consume 2 credits, right? Do I want to do that? I really don't. So we'll do that another time. We'll regenerate and we'll actually add on to some stuff. Well, there it is, family. Right there. So now you have an expanded pic. You click the check right there. Now, when you get back to this, don't be afraid, right? Don't be afraid. You're like, well, I did all that and it took 2 credits away. What happened? All you have to do is scroll over a little bit and it fills it right in. So now you have that full screen, 16:9, me holding my cell phone in the gym, right? Taking a break, I guess, right? Holding it looks like with the left hand. It's kind of weird how it looks, but it is what it is. But I just wanted to show you guys how to expand a picture using AI in CapCut. This is a great feature. I use it all the time, use it for some thumbnails. Definitely turns out dope. All right, let me know what you think, family. Drop your comments below. Appreciate your love and your support. It's your man, VACAY-J. Till next time. Salute.
VACAY-JayTV.